Derrick, 4-State Trux, home of Chrome Shop Mafia. I wanted to show you a little bundle package that Trux has come out with to fix up your trailer a little bit. Comes with the adapter that goes over your hub, comes with the hub cover and the lug nut covers for your 33mm hub pilot wheels. We've got them in two different types. We've got the chrome ones that run $81.99, and then we've got the stainless that runs $103.99. Tire package through the entire trailer, quick and easy. Come check it out today, guys.
Dan here at 4-State Trux. I want to just talk to you guys a little bit today about the seat offering here. Like this one here is kind of your standard replacement if you're just wanting to get a new cloth seat for your truck. We've also got a full line of leather seats here. We've got Bossman, we've got National, also in the cloth option and a nice leather option. We also carry the Sears Atlas Elite seats in a cloth and a leather. And then on the back row here we carry the Legacy seats, full line options on those. We've even got a minimizer high luxury seat that we sell. If you're just looking for the basic cloth replacement, it's a little over $400. We got that for you. Or if you want to spend a couple $1,000s on a high luxury minimizer seat, we got that too.
Now here's an item that's built by the boys, and you're not going to find it at just every Chrome shop. Mirror brackets on about any truck. This one's a Peterbilt, but this would work on a Kenworth Freightliner, about whatever you've got. Check out this stainless steel 6-inch mirror light extension so you can hang your choice of what kind of turn signal light you want off the bottom of your mirror bracket. And this thing is heavy duty, thick wall, threaded both ends. This is built by the boys and built to last. 6-inch high polished stainless steel mirror extension. They're a little under $100, but these things are gonna last a lifetime.